To use Afterpay on Expedia, start by going to Expedia.com and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. On the Expedia website, you'll see various options at the top of the screen, including a language changer, the ability to list your property, support, trips, and your profile information. The main focus, however, is the search function in the middle of the screen. To utilize Afterpay, you need to visit the Afterpay website, which can be found at afterpay.com/enis. Once on the Afterpay website, use the search bar to find Expedia. Then click on Expedia from the search results. This will redirect you to the Expedia website with Afterpay as a highlighted option. From there, select your flights, hotels, and rentals, ensuring that Afterpay is chosen as your payment method. Proceed with your booking, and you'll have the option to pay in interest-free installments. By following these steps, you can successfully use Afterpay on Expedia for your travel bookings.